Over here on the east end of Panama City Beach off of Thomas Drive, I have a great little beach cottage to show you. A 2-bedroom with a yard and super close to the sandy white beach. Again, more sunshine coming into this spacious living area. Elevated ceilings make it feel even more expansive. You will love all the counter space and cabinetry over in this kitchen. Perfectly sized for this little beach cottage. Off the kitchen is a little dining area that overlooks the backyard. Let that Florida sun shine right in. This little beach home has perfectly sized bedrooms, and I love the window placement. Again, letting more of that Florida sunshine right in. I love this little barn door that leads you into the bathroom. It's very spacious, renovated shower, and handicap accessible. Backyard has a cute little patio and plenty of space to relax after the beach. If you like what you saw today, make sure you click on the links below. There you'll find more information about the property and who to call if you absolutely love it. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.